donna G1, re G3, torre per F3, 2 punti esclamativi.
Se sei fermo da tempo sullo stesso punteggio, è perché ti mancano le conoscenze per progredire. Noi di Mattoscacco abbiamo creato la prima accademia di scacchi online per migliorare comodamente da casa. Vienici a trovare e scegli il corso più adatto alle tue esigenze. academy.mattoscacco.com.
Buongiorno a tutti! Dopo aver visto un puzzle race di Karen, adesso avremo l'ultima occasione di vederlo giocare. Avevi già sorpassato i 2900, did you already, before, in the previous video, did you pass the 2900? Not yet.
I think
2899.
yeah, something, but not.
Are you gonna pass 2900 now?
Let's try.
Let's try! Andiamo a vedere se Karen ottiene i 2900 punti Elo. Quindi andiamo. Sfidiamo qualcuno.
So let's
Here.
Here
Yes.
play. New 3 minutes.
New 3 minutes.
I don't know. I passed. Okay, but so let's try more.
Ah, you passed.
I passed. But
Ok, andiamo. Vediamo se riesci ad arrivare a 3000.
New 3 minutes or
New 3 minutes. New 3 minutes.
okay. Now
Okay.
international master.
International Master.
Legend is back.
Legend is back. From Australia.
Australia, yeah.
Ok.
From
Wow.
Also people they like King's Indian. King's Indian is a
Una est indiana. With this move order you avoided the Grunfeld.
yeah, also yeah. Because you one extra variation.
Ok. Cosa giochi adesso? The Mar del Plata variation.
Yes.
Argentina variation Mar del Plata.
This is I think the sharpest line of Sicilian.
Of the King's Indian. Questa è la linea più tagliente di tutta l'est indiana. So now can you describe the plans of both colors here?
So black has to try to push in king side and white.
And
has
white queen side.
Yeah.
Because you look at the pawn
Posture.
structure, no? Guardi la freccia della struttura di pedoni.
D5 pawn gives advantage for.
This is a pawn structure. But do you prefer playing this position with white or with black?
With white. With black is.
I thought with black because you like to attack the king, you say.
Yeah, but this position I don't know. Always, so white is here. Even this variation.
White is faster.
Yeah, white is always is difficult for black.
Ah. Quindi è difficile giocare questa apertura per il nero. Ok.
This position, yeah, I don't like really for black. It's.
But this pawn sacrifice with c5 was theoretical or...
I think it's theory. I saw it.
Ah.
Now I don't remember, but I saw it somewhere, and there is always there is.
Quindi c5 era teorica, anche se non è sicuro al 100%. Ma...
I don't know, it's theory. So now let's take the pawn. Let's take the pawn. Right. Still knight is defended.
Wow.
And so maybe I confuse something, but what to do? So it's already late.
No choice but continue.
No choice. Yeah, because also the game is with time. So here, so let's take. He will take. So if b6 takes, nothing. B6 takes, then knight goes back, and then bishop c4. So let's do.
Wow.
Then knight goes back.
So it's better to give material but concentrate the fight on the queen side.
Yeah.
Quindi è meglio cedere materiale ma concentrare la lotta nell'ala di donna. Molto bene.
Yeah, in King's Indian always, so rook a2, knight c3, so then bishop.
And why you didn't you rejected the idea of bishop c4?
So bishop c4 because rook a5 I thought anyway, yeah, but there is no difference. So it also knight bishop c4 is something that he's calculating, and this probably he's not really.
Quindi anche per sorprenderlo, to surprise him.
Surprise him.
Ok.
looks a usual King's Indian. Black is but always so. Black is having, of course, a very good counterplay, but somehow I don't like Black's position. It's
But
just-
maybe the problem is that in this position you can, I mean, till the last moment something can happen. You are never sure to win till.
yeah, no, this is no.
No, it's not like more calm openings that you know you are crushing him. No, any time you should take care.
Yeah, because always something can happen in King's Indian. Yeah,
Okay.
there is no guarantee. Never.
Quindi non c'è nessuna garanzia nell'est indiano, è un'apertura molto rischiosa, fino a quando l'avversario non abbandona non sai mai se vince o no, mentre altre volte è più il controllo della situazione.
He wants to keep the bishop from attacking.
Ah,
That's why I should stop.
per impedire torre H6.
He's doing everything for that. At this pawn, no, it's defended, so he wants to trade knights. So maybe I can do just a useful.
And how can it be that you are always up on time? Which suggestion you give for time management to beginners?
Sure, just usually in Blitz, so don't try to find the best move. Just try to make a move. Just try
Decent moves, good.
decent, yes, decent, useful moves. Because now look.
Ok, quindi non bisogna cercare sempre la mossa migliore, meglio sacrificare un po' di precisione per non avere problemi di tempo. How do you evaluate this position?
Exactly position. I think. No, now knight f7 is mistake. Now.
So he made important mistake. Okay.
Yeah, but now I have to do something. So, but I have to do something. So if I take, he takes.
But 18 seconds.
Yeah, this is okay. So take. So here, just and also no increment. But he's quick. So I think I made a mistake, but whatever. So if check here, so I made a mistake. So check. So here.
Now bishop d4 is not.
Now bishop d4 is not possible. c3, he's pushing, and bishop e5.
Wow! Congrats for finding this move.
And takes and check.
Take, and now everything falls.
And now impossible. Now he made his.
Wow, so your level doesn't worsen. So let's play another game.
Gate.
No, another game, another opponent maybe, no? New 3 minutes game. It's more interesting, no? So he's tired to lose, he saw who is playing against.
But it's not
Joffrey.
No, that's not him. That's just
A fan.
Yeah, a fan. Fan of John Jeffrey.
How you know he's not him? Because not verified profile.
Also, yeah, also
F3.
Yeah.
Our variation A5.
Here A5. Yeah.
Questa variante l'ha giocata Karen perché non sapeva cosa fare. Una volta gliel'ho copiata anch'io. C'è un trucco.
Some people they don't know.
C'è un trucco. Dove l'hai visto? In uno streaming, no? In one streaming, no? You saw A5.
No. Actually, one of so GM did the guys to me in Rapid, and because of A5, I had a bad position. So and after that, I just copied him.
And I copied you.
Yeah.
You about the theory, no?
Yeah, it's trick. Maybe it works. So,
And, chi sta meglio adesso?
so there's a Hagian.
No, who stands better now?
Here. I think no, black is fine because center. So white is also solid, but
Il bianco è solido, ma il nero ha più spazio al centro.
but to have this kind of position after opening as white doesn't look good. Yes, on here. So it's.
Yes.
But this,
Alpha Zero style, no? A4, A5, A4, A3.
but this was really unnecessary move. Now, now I have.
Knight C3 was not good.
Yeah, it just in a second.
Oh.
No, just better. It's a waste of move.
Waste of
time.
move. Maybe white is better now or
Yeah,
not?
maybe yes. I think white is better now because
Ora, adesso il bianco sta meglio.
of that move. Yeah,
Per via di cavallo C3 che non serviva a nulla.
yeah, so it's horrible move.
Quindi cavallo C3 è una mossa orribile. But can even a champion make horrible moves?
Yeah, I think all people, and not just in chess, yes, all people in all sports, they make mistakes. So if
So why you are who you are if you also make horrible moves? Because you make less
less
mistakes.
horrible moves, yeah, this is
Quindi tutti fanno errori, ma errori anche gravissimi, ma i campioni fanno meno volte. Ok.
this is very strong move, attacking to knight, attacking to pawn. So yeah, you have to just anyway cannot defend. So let's just give the pawn and bad position, but not
Not lost.
not completely lost. Ah, but 2576.
And in your opinion, what would be the result in correspondence chess here?
I think in this game he will win.
Or draw? Maybe
Okay,
draw?
maybe draw, but
Non so se a gioco corretto questa partita sarebbe patta o vinta per il bianco, ma il gioco corretto non esiste. Correct play doesn't exist. So
yeah, that's it.
even you can win. Even.
Also yes.
Qua addirittura potrebbe vincere anche in nero.
But so yeah, evaluation is better, and until now he's playing better than me. So
So, ma la partita non è ancora finita. Game is not over yet.
yeah.
La partita non è ancora finita.
So he wants to trade, but I don't want because the knight is very strong. Except the row. No. Okay. Why draw? Let's play. Ah, but now
Why decided to take on C2 instead of A2?
because anyway double pawns.
Ah, ok.
Doesn't make sense. So check first. I'll just approach the queen here, then check. So yeah, but so even his pawn is strong. He's strong GM. His pawn is also strong.
Wow.
Let's.
Now which color do you prefer?
I think black is fine now. No, black is fine for sure, but it needs correct continuation.
Uh-huh.
So check.
Also, psychologically, it is difficult, no? If first you are better and then you get worse.
Yeah, he was much better. Now
Prima stava molto meglio, adesso sta peggio, no? Il bianco, ed è una situazione psicologicamente difficile.
Now how to avoid of exchange of queens?
Come evitare il cambio delle donne, dice
Here.
Karen. Ok.
But check, he take, then I give a check, then not much, so g6. And then
Maybe play too quickly, maybe could have think...
yeah, because it looks
Wow.
dangerous, so give a check again. So
1 minuto contro 33 secondi. Ora stai pensando se dare scacco in G1 o in C7, vedo.
let's give a check,
Really?
and let's take
Are you
this.
joking?
Let's take this.
Is it a joke?
Queen f1. A queen f4 checkmate.
Did you calculate all?
Rook f2, queen d3.
Wow. Wow! And if rook f3, what happened?
So here.
Okay, maybe can we
check.
make the game analysis or... No, game okay. No, game analysis?
Game analysis is different.
Yes, no, but wow, I'm shocked. So here, so in pochi secondi hai calcolato tutto. Quindi questa era la posizione, non 4. Questa era la posizione.
Ah, it's correct.
Oh, and now, quindi adesso, how much it took you? So in 14 seconds, in 14 secondi, con io che gli parlavo e lo distraevo, quindi in condizioni di non ottima concentrazione, Karen ha calcolato tutta la rete di matto. Quindi vediamo la rete di matto. Donna G1, Re G3, Torre per F3, 2 punti esclamativi. Adesso G per F3 è una mossa illegale. Se Re G4,
Then everything is defended.
cosa volevi fare? What did you want to play? Ah, la torre difende F7, quindi qualunque mossa,
Just
even this, qualunque mossa vincerebbe la partita. Questa la vince più lentamente, ma ora non ci sono minacce, il suo resta peggio. Ok, even this will win. Ok, so in a game no need to lose time on this, on King G4.
No,
Quindi in una partita bisogna calcolare solo Re F3, il tentativo di confutazione. Quindi What did you calculate here?
Queen f1, so if king
So
g3,
if
rook g4,
so, king cannot go to e3.
yeah, e4 I take the rook, then I
So
take
king g3 is like the game, queen f4.
checkmate.
Very brilliant checkmate, uno scaccomatto spettacolare.
King g4
Su,
the same.
su re g4, donna f4, su re e4,
A queen e2, queen
donna per e2, con una infilata, skewering, attack. And what if rook f2,
a queen d3, this I
queen d3,
and king g4.
of
and
course
pawn.
now queen e3 you win the queen and the
And
game.
I saw f5,
And if king
and,
g4,
I saw just f5 should be winning.
so you didn't calculate this all, you just understood.
It should be.
Wow, so a mix of intuition and concrete calculation. Quindi un misto di intuizione, di calcolo concreto. Quindi F5, e quindi scusami un attimo, hai detto su re H4, G5. Did you calculate this knight F6?
No.
Wow, è matto!
Or maybe queen h3.
O prima donna H3 e poi cavallo F6, bellissimo. Wow, bellissimo. Quindi qua un misto di calcolo e intuizione. Fantastica performance. Wow, grandissimo. Bellissima partita. Quindi siamo stati onorati di averti qui con noi, grazie per averci illuminato con queste bellissime partite allora. Grazie mille e alla prossima allora.
Bye bye.
Ciao ciao, ciao ciao.